Golden rays and blue skies, footprints in the hot sand. Music pumps so high, we got time on our hands. Pools and diving boards, cannonballs splashing loud. Laughter fills the air, we stand out from the crowd. Splashing in the summer sun, having all the happy fun.
Hello everyone! Another day, another vlog. For today's video, tayo ngayon ay nandito pa rin sa Melbourne. After nga namin mag wine and cheese pairing, dito na nga kami tumuloy sa may chocolaterie. Susubukan namin ng ice cream dito kasi yun daw ang famous dito. Syempre, maghahanap pa tayo ng mabibili. Kaya naman, tara na, pumasok na tayo at mag-explore. See? Chocolate nga!
May ano dito.
Yeah. Let's go na. Laki ng chocolate mo ah. Pili ka daw chocolate. Bili ka chocolate. Wow! Ang dami chocolate. Wow! May jam. Chocolate hazelnut. Oh my God. Parang ang sarap ano. Pistachio.
Aren't you going back tomorrow? Your flight is tomorrow? I don't think so.
Tomorrow. $41.25 times mo na lang sa 37.
Okay, seconds how bad this one?
Dark chocolate yan. Okay.
Ayun na yung buwan.
Yung blue na yun, and may pink pa. Okay, unicorn na. Unicorn. Okay. Alright. Sweet bubblegum flavored ice cream filled with marshmallow and black forest jellies topped with polka dots. Okay, so yun daw yung gusto niyo. Okay, we'll try that. Sa cup na lang. Ayan, first scoop price. Oo na. Sarap? It's just a black. Coffee Americano, coffee Americano. And ito yung mga chocolate. Nakain na ni Bev yung kanyang ano. Naubos na niya. Ako muna. Ay, daw muna. Sige, taste mo. Dali. Bibidyo ka. Happy birthday. Unicorn. Dada. What? Ikaw live lang. Hindi siya makain.
Bubblegum yata.
Hindi na niya alam paano niya ubusin. Sige.
Pinukuha ko yung gilid.
Kasi malalaglag na.
Ako din.
No, dalian nyo. Magme-melt na siya. Oh no!
May upuan sa labas.
So guys, ito na yung sinasabi niya. Oh, ito yung bridge. Maglakad lang daw kami dito kasi marami na daw ditong restaurants. Ayan oh. Ang ganda oh. Ha? Oo. Tapos pwede mo tong lakarin. Pwede ka mag-explore dito. Diba? Diyan kami galing doon. Directory ng Southgate. Ito yung mga, siguro kung ano yung nandiyan sa loob niyan. Mall. Okay. So, yun yung papasok. Pumasok kami sa loob, guys. Dito kami dumaan. Tingnan natin kung ano meron dito. Ayan. Bas din dito. Let's see. Ano meron dito? Riverside. May food court. Ayan naman pala, oh. May food court. Napupurga na ako kaka-chicken. Kasi yung aking anak is gusto puro chicken. Oh, fried chicken. Again, fried chicken. And what's that? Chicken curry and beef rendang. So, let's see.
Ito may rice.
Yeah.
We don't have these items there.
You have the fried chicken
The fried chicken, yeah.
with rice?
Fried chicken with rice? Yes.
Okay. We'll have one.
Ayan nga pala guys, yung pangalan ng resto na pinilihan namin ng may chicken rice. Tapos look at this guys, merong chat time o merong milk tea. Ayan, pwede kayo mag-cruise dito. Ayan, meron dito. Diba? Ang ganda ng view. So, lakad na tayo. Pabalik na tayo sa hotel kasi gutom na yung aking Junakis. Let's go, Daddy. May Emirates. Oh, nakita mo? This is better.
Double tree by Hilton.
Yeah. Madaming restaurants, guys. Up and down eh. Ayan. Hindi naman pala kayo magugutom dito. Sa mga mahihilig sa rice, marami naman pala dito. Ayan, oh. Maglakad lang kayo dito. Pwede kayong mamili kahit saan siyan. Iba-ibang restaurants yan. Tama nga sabi nung aming driver. Marami daw dito basta maglakad lang kami. Okay. What time is it? 7:07. Yeah. Ayan yung hotel natin. Di ba malapit lang kami doon sa bridge. Lakad lang kami. Tapos ayan na. Oh, ingat lang kasi maraming mabibili sa sasakyan. Ito lang oh. Hindi lang namin nakikita kasi mababa yung room namin. Di ba no, Daddy? Kaya lang hindi namin nakikita. Kasi dito pa kami nakaharap sa may puno na to. Eh may mga building dito sa harap namin. So ayan lang. Andun lang siya. Tapos, ililiko ko para makita nyo kung saan kami galing. Doon. O, ayan o. Andun na yung bridge. So, tawid lang dito. Tapos, syempre, titingin ka sa tinatawiran mo kasi mabubulaga ka. And then, tahimik yung hotel eh. Pero kanina, isang bus yung dumating. Okay, babe. Ito na yung food mo. I know you're hungry. Here na. Ay, doon pala. Ito pala yung harap. Andun pala sa gilid ako nagpupunta. Iikot pa ako. Ito yung hotel. Yun yung lobby. Tapos andun na rin yung kung saan ka magbe-breakfast. Diyan di kami nagbe-breakfast. Yan, nakadalawang breakfast na kami dyan. So, ito yung pagpasok ng hotel. Diba? It's so easy. Very fast. Ihingi yan ng yelo kasi pwede humingi ng yelo. So, that's it for today. For the night.
How was yesterday? Good?
Yeah. We went out. Walked around the river.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, near the river.
Okay, we just get our luggages. And that's standing. Grabe yung turbulence. Ibang klase. So, ito yung sundo natin. Ay, hindi.
Right now, recently there is a motorway open just right outside of the city. So that one make it very quick now.
Okay.
Before it used to be 2 hours drive, 1 hour 55 minutes to 2 hours. But
Ibis Style Sydney Center. So, we're here na sa Ibis Style Hotel. Check-in lang kami ng lobby. Pasok mo yan. So, kailangan na munang mag-sign up dun sa mga machine na yun. Okay? So, ayan na si Bib. Umuulan sa labas ng lakas ng ulan. Yeah. Later. So, welcome to Ibis Hotel. Ayan, Ibis Styles. Kasi maraming klase ng Ibis. Merong Ibis Budget, merong Ibis Style. Alam ko meron pang isa, di ko lang alam kung saan.
Mayroong Ibis Bird. Australian Ibis.
Okay. So, nagbubuk lang si Daddy pa ng isang day kasi nga, na-delay yung flight namin. Nag-change ng aircraft. So, nag-extend kami ng 1 day dito. So, that's it. Binubuk na lang niya para daw dire-diretso. So, instead of 5 nights and 6 days, naging tayo dito? 6 nights and 7 days. So, today is our first day here in Sydney. Galing kami sa Melbourne and sa Gold Coast. Unang stop namin is yung Gold Coast, sumunod sa Melbourne. Ngayon naman, ang last stop namin is Sydney. So, tomorrow, meron na kami kaagad na itinerary. Hopefully, hindi na umuulan bukas at wala ng bagyo. Sana sunny na. Kasi punta kami sa Blue Mountain tomorrow. And of course, punta din kami sa Zoo. Tuwa isa dyan.
Sydney Zoo. And pupunta kami sa Opera House.
Yan.
Kailan yun?
Tingnan ko sa itinerary. Kasi private tour kami. So, kami lang tatlo. So, may sumusundo dito sa hotel. And then, siya na rin yung nagtutour sa amin. Yung driver at saka yung tour guide. So, see you later. Pakita ko sa inyo yung room mamaya. $9.11 yun eh. Oh, that's 9.10. Okay. Malapit lang sa elevator. Good.
Kaya may bahala dyan.
Hi.
Ba't parang room natin sa,
Gold Coast.
Hindi.
Sa Melbourne.
Yeah, Ang kamukha.
Oo nga, no?
It's the same room.
Really? Oh, nga.
Ano? Same style.
It's the same room.
Pati lababo.
Ganon.
Oo.
Even my bed.
Okay.
At least malaki ba?
Okay, so pinagkaiba lang nito, maliit yung CR. Maliit yung sink dito. Ayan. Okay, doon kasi isang mahaba eh. Dito maliit lang. Okay. Tapos ayun yung shower room. There.
Magkamukha tayo na room.
Same lang. And then dito sa kabilang side, andito yung toilet.
Oh my gosh, we're the same
Okay.
room.
Shampoo and conditioner, body wash. Tapos ito yung, diba ba, mas maliit siya, lumiit. Doon sa kabila, may isang mahaba eh. Pero same lang siya doon sa kabila, sa Mercure. Tapos meron uli dito, ganito. But where's the microwave? Alam ko may microwave to eh.
Well, that's the only difference.
Kasi si JM, no, naalala ko may microwave siya.
Oh, wait, really? Just check, maybe it's in the cabinet.
Okay, cabinet to. May extra blanket. Just in case kailangan. So, meron tayong pakabayo dyan. Plancha and meron tayong, ayan. Oh, what's that? Parang ano yun?
Kuya, parang hindi na tayo umalis.
Meron ding vault. Okay. So,
Look at the view.
and the bed, same na same din doon. Si Viv doon sa extra na yun.
Dito na naman ako matutulog.
Nandun na naman siya. Tapos, eto uli yung, dito kami uli ni Daddy. Okay, king size naman siya actually. Tapos, meron lang extra doon. So, ayun lang. Eto na, nagkalat na yung aming bagahe. Oh. Wala nang madaanan.
may kasaran dito.
Kasi dito sa Mercure, yung side na to, meron siyang microwave na nakalagay dito, pero dito wala. Tapos dito, meron dito yung mga coffee, di ba? Yung mga complimentary.
Nandito ulit yung kasama. Oh, Mami! Mami!
Yes?
May USB na.
Good?
May USB.
Okay. So, this is it. Tapos dito ka na ngayon, magpipicture ng iyong OOTD. Okay. So, that's it for today. Ayan. So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Sydney. So, kung meron pa kayong mga katanungan, comment lang kayo dyan sa baba. So, in the meantime, papatayin ko muna to kasi magre-rest lang ako kasi I'm not feeling well.
Video mo muna.
I need meds.
Video mo muna.
Okay, bibidyo ko daw muna siya. Ayun. Oh. Natutulog. Birthday niya kahapon. Siya ngayon ay 14 years old na. Pag uwi niya, sabi ko 14 na siya.
Yeah!
Okay, so may TV ulit.
Right there.
Same na same. Okay.
It's
There.
the same room without the microwave.
Okay, so kailangan na natin kumain. Hindi guys, ang dami talagang available na may mga rice food. So, tulad yan, yung Mr. Chef na yan, may rice din siya. Tapos doon, parang may Asian food daming mga rice meal. So, hindi naman magugutom yung mga gusto ng mga rice. At dito, dami. Kung nyo napansinin yung ano ko. Kaya sipon kasi ako nahawa ako kay Daddy. So, ito meron dito, Papa Rich. Oh, parang yun yung kinainan natin doon sa ano. Daddy. Oh my. Ayun yung noodles. Pero fried chicken. Okay. So guys, yan, tatawid kami dyan. Kasi pakita ko sa inyo yung place. Ito, papasok kayo dito. Ayan, sa World Square. Andyan lahat sa ilalim yan. Andyan lahat ng mga tindahan. Doon kayo magpunta. So ngayon, pabalik na kami sa hotel. Umuulan kasi ngayon, kaya pangit yung lakad-lakad natin. Hindi tuloy ako makablog. Pero ang ganda, ano naman dito, dali lang. Basta na may Google ka, makakarating at makakarating ka. Ginugol ko lang eh. Si Vibe Hotel, mas malaki siya kaysa kay Ibis at saka kay Mercury. Mercure. Si Mercure naman, mas malaki kaysa kay Ibis. Pero si Ibis at si Mercure, similar na similar yung kanilang rooms. Let's go, Daddy. Yung turbulence kanina pababa ng pa-landing. Grabe. Si Bebe nga, tuwan-tuwa pa. Ikaw? Oh, okay. Para na ako naninigarilyo, guys. See, ang bilis nung ando ka pa lang sa gitna, yung nagbe-red na eh. One more tawid. Ato na. Ayun, tatawid na tayo. Isa pa. Tapos yun na yung hotel natin. Okay, kami. Tapos pagkaliwa namin, andun na yung hotel.
Okay. Okay. One way daw to. Okay, let's... Dito na tayo, guys. Malalaglag na yung dala ko. Meron pa pala isang kawit. Hindi pa pala. Wait lang. Nakitali mo yung ano mo sa dito sa mga. Nak, malalim yan. Ano yan? Mataas yan. Parang drop yan ng Elsa 10 times.
Okay, all good. Thanks, mate. Thanks, Dan. I shouldn't have done that.
No, you did the right thing, mate. I'm a warrant for.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thanks,
10 times. Yeah.
Yes,
Mabilis to.
Train siya. Nakasakay tayo sa train.
Pull your feet up. It's alright.
There you go. Thank you. Yan o. Yan yung gagawin natin. Oh my gosh. Are you sure you wanna do this?
We have to go down.
Okay, let's go. Kung kaya mo, pwede mo ulitin yan kung kaya mo. Ini-orient ko na siya kaagad. Sabi ko sa kanya yung ano na to is ibang klase. Dahil ano nga siya, yung pababa niya, ito yung stiff. Very stiff daw to.
Mami,
Oo.
di naman daw mabilis eh.
Yeah. Pero but still, naka-tilt yan, naka-tilt. Konti lang yung ano dito ngayon kasi nga guys, winter. Hindi siya peak season. So, ayan.
Or any way you like. Up to you.
Anywhere you like. Because it's open. There. Ganyan yun.
Yeah, like I'm not but like I'm obviously not like, I'm not like, okay, obviously. Good morning, guys. Welcome.
We're here. It's them.
No, sure.
Okay, I mean, that's why.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Okay. Oh, you cannot sit.
Select your ride. Press and hold the switch next to your seat to adjust your ride. Land back original cliffhanger. So, ano gusto niyo?
Wala.
Just because you got through the rain. So as long as you find a seat without people in it, you just sit. Someone through.
이거 죽겠는데 수종이? 이거 담요 가져올 걸 집에서. 그지?
Okay.
Alrighty then, we're closing up doors, keeping your arms and legs in the train, doors closing.
얘가 이게 무릎 이렇게 잡아 내려가는 게 아니고 그냥 손잡이야. 등받이야 등받이.
So welcome aboard the railway everyone, we're heading down into the Jamison Valley now. Hold on to your loose and valuables. Hold on to your favourite child.
What? Ano sabi?
A bit faster. Hold on, because I can't. I'm flipping.
It's dark. It's dark. See? Nahuhulog ako. I told you, sabi ko sa'yo, mag-aani upuan. Look at... Tinali mo. Mukha ng dalawa.
Daddy, takot. Sige, nalaglag.
Okay. Look at that, guys. Kung gaano siya kataas.
Let's go deeper.
See? Ganun siya kataas. Oh, we're here already.
What? Already?
Oh, that's it? Okay.
Alrighty then, welcome down to the beautiful Jamison Valley, everyone. When we come to a stop, I'll open up doors
So,
on the
kamusta?
left-hand side there. You can stay aboard
Walang nangyari.
to the main building, or what I recommend, up the stairs across the bridge.
Wala mo lang
It's only about
humihon.
a 10 minutes through the rainforest, and that takes you to the cableway. So that's easily the best way out of the valley.
Okay.
So that was it.
Good.
Malik na yung sinakyan natin. Ayun na siya. Paakyat doon. Hanggang doon all the way. Look at the view. Oh, di ba? Sabi ni Daddy, I'm scared. Wala naman nangyari. Ano, 10 lang? 10 lang yung pinili mo? 10 minutes walk? Okay. Yes, the Three Sisters. Yun yung Three Sisters, guys. Ayun. Okay. Okay, let's go up. Go up and up and up. Welcome to Regenerate Coal Mining Site. Look at this again, guys. One more. Oh, di ba? Ayan. Okay, ganyan yung sinakyan natin. Oh, hindi. Ano to?
Yan yung sample.
Oo, sample lang.
So if we're going to call a tree a coach wood,
Look inside here now. Okay.
Look inside here.
Okay. Baka mahulog eh. Okay. What do you see? Oh.
What's in there? Because it's so cool. I don't know. And then there's a Minecraft.
Parang siya uling, right? Ang galing ano, kulay black.
Obviously, it's a bit of a social and political issue sometimes too, because it is a non-renewable source of energy, and
as the world begins to move towards renewables, use their jobs and whatnot. So we won't get too deep into the side of things, but still to this day we love the stuff. The way right now is in the exact same place and at the same angle that the original coal cars were constructed. Now they've widened it a little bit as it is, make it bigger for the bigger coal. And then not in a third things to line out too much.
Yan yung ginagamit nila, no?
So the coal mining resumed. They also
Pit pony shoes daw yan.
Yeah, those are pony shoes.
Okay. Dog spike for fastening rails to slippers. Packs. Yan. Thanks for visiting Scenic World. You are now entering the National Park. Okay. Dito na daw tayo. National Park na. You are now leaving Scenic World.
Go.
Okay. May animals dito. Sabi niya, look here. Wink.
Is that a giant vine?
Oh, who's this?
Long way. Sassafras. If you stand on the cross on the boardwalk and place your eye in exactly the right place, you can see tiny. Ayan na makikita mo. Asa na yun?
Yes.
Ang lalaki ng ano, ugat-ugat. Literal na naglalakad tayo sa ilalim ng mga puno. And ito yung nilalakaran natin. Ayan. Hindi naman siya slippery. Okay. Hindi naman siya malamig sa kamay. Oh, hindi ako naka-gloves. Look ahead.
Trees.
Meron ba?
I don't even see any kissing.
Baka nasira na.
Baka ito, kissing
That
tree.
one?
Yeah.
Okay. Para silang nagkikiss na puno daw. May nakita ba kayo na mukhang nagkikiss na puno? Momo yata ang meron dito eh. Ayan, siguro may tubig dyan na babagsak dito. Rough tree fern. Okay.
It was 50 years old when it fell.
Okay.
What's that?
Yan yun.
And here, rough tree fern.
There. Look at there daw. So I think it's there. That's the one. Ginagawa pa nga na.
Fossil?
Kung wala siguro siya. Baka tulog siya.
No fossil.
Wala yun.
The bucket. What? Look right.
I don't see any bucket.
Pinapahanap pa niya tayo, no? Ang labo talaga na to.
The ropeway bucket.
There.
No, oh, no. There it is.
Ayun lang pala siya sa baba.
Kissing tree. Kissing tree.
That one. Okay na, ito na yung kissing tree. Okay. Oh, okay. Ano, kakain ba yan? Gum eh.
They look like hair.
Pag-refill guys ng water, ayan o. See, may mga libre. Basta may tumbler kayo. Meron naman mga certain area na nakalagay na refill water. Meron ko yun. May kasi kumahal ng tubig dito guys. Gusto ko yung binili dati kagabi is $5. Let's go na.
The moss.
That's moss. It's biodiversity.
Moss, so di na mga nagkaroon ng
Oo, ganito. May ganyan, no?
See? From a rock, nagkaroon ng gano'n.
Tapos may tutubo, di ba?
Nagkaroon ng moss.
Kaya nga, di ba sa may dinadala yan? Pag pumupunta ka sa space, sa outer space, meron silang mga ganyan.
Alam mo ba ang moss produces
Where are they going? Oh, nandito na tayo sa kabilang side.
Ito na tayo sa cableway na.
Oo, ito yung kabilang side.
Tingnan mo to, oh. Coal Mine Railway. Pili Link, Yellow Robin Link, Rainforest Route. So, where are we? You are here. So, naikot na natin yung 10 minutes. So, pabalik na tayo sa blue.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Blue and then lilipat tayo.
Sa yellow. Okay. Yeah.
Dito yung daan. Daan.
That's it. We can eat first.
Akala ko, yung pag ganun ulit tayo. Yung train. Hindi pala. Cable na pala to.
Hindi na sa train. Tinulog sa picture view.
So we're going up there.
It's one of those days. Alright.
Just be talking to you through the center of the cabin here. The first thing that we're going to see is a strange looking plant on top of the trees. It looks a little bit like broccoli on top of the trees.
Oh yeah, I see it.
It's called the five-leaf water vine.
Oh my gosh.
One of the main reasons it's there is because in 1879, nearly every single one of the trees you just walked underneath was cut down to build the Katoomba coal mine. Those trees didn't grow back until the 1940s, and when they did, that broccoli plant grew back on top.
Where?
The reason it can survive here, though, is because of the sandstone cliff face to your left-hand side. They are filtering water. If you can't see them from this side of the cabin, it's the same sandstone that makes up the cliffs and the Three Sisters to the right. It is filtering water, but in this spot it also provides shade for the valley floor below. So this spot that you just walked in is the only bit of rainforest in the Jamison Valley. The rest is called dry sclerophyll forest. You just walked in rainforest. Like I said, the Three Sisters on the right-hand side, Three Sisters, are also made of that sandstone. They stand 922 meters above sea level. And the other cool sandstone structure that we have here is Orphan Rock. In the front right-hand corner of the cabin, Orphan Rock used to be the most popular lookout in the Blue Mountains. You can still see those hand railings on top of it. The hand railings up there. People travelled up there on doctor's orders. They believed the Blue Mountains air had healing qualities. So they walked to the top there and stood at those railings. People had picnics up there in full suits and dresses. It would have been a very difficult walk to the top. And in the 50s, a rock slide put a big hole in the middle of it. You can see that hole there from that rock slide. They repaired it. It was so popular. They fixed it up. They opened it again. But in 1974, it was closed for good. Since 1974, no member of the public has been up there legally. There's going to be a bit of a swing going through the towers here. A little bit of a swing. Here we go.
A swing?
3, 2, 1. Whoa! We're swinging around a bit, which means we're going to bump as we come into station. So holding on to something or someone near you. Here comes the bump. I'll count it down as we get a bit closer. Here it comes, everyone. Here we go. Here comes the bump. Yeah, we'll slow down a bit.
Yeah.
And then when we get close, take us to like 0.1.
Now?
Yeah. And we can just go through slowly. Alright, here comes that bump, everyone. A little bit of a bump in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1.5. There we go, nearly there. 3, 2, 1, bump. Yeah, perfect timing. Alright, we're in the top station now. The doors will open on the left-hand side. If you have any questions at all, scenic world related, local history related, or what should I eat for lunch in Katoomba related, I live in Katoomba, I study history, and I like to eat food sometimes. So I can answer all of those questions. Thank you all so much for listening to me for the last 4 minutes. You guys are great. Enjoy the rest of your days. Here we go. Those left doors are opening. You're back on level 1. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you.
Ano, anak? Ano masabi mo?
回到刚刚上面那里，12点哦，12点回到刚刚楼梯上面那个。
Okay. Now, ay, may kuryente. Nag-kuryente ako. Scenic Skyway. So guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Scenic Skyway. So, sasakay kami ngayon dyan. Tapos, eto na ba yung last, Daddy? Ito na yung last? Okay. So, tapos na kami doon sa dalawa. Yung trail na yung pababa. Meron dito food court. Pwede kayong kumain dyan. Where do you want to stay?
Ito ba sinasabi mo?
Oo, ano ba yun?
Ewan.
Enjoy yourselves. Last one, the middle's got clear, so have a look at that.
They have food here. Ayan. Ayun yung mga choice pagkain. So, kamusta naman yung butter chicken? Yung butter chicken nila is parang, ano tawag doon? Chicken curry.
So, ito sa mayo, yung chicken?
Yeah.
Ay, chicken fish.
Ito naman, fish and chips. Ayan. Yan ang ano dito. Common na order. Kay Daddy beef burger. Siyempre. O, yan na siya.
Black bread.
Ayan yung $5 water. Oh.
$5, guys. And it tastes like normal water.
Here, Three Sisters. Picture taking lang and then we will go na. Ayan, lamig. Okay, picture lang tayo. Whose boys drift with the white mist, passing like the ghosts of ocean waves. Ayan. Ito na yung view, guys. Ang ganda. Oh, and it's cold. Here. Fire tower sharp. Okay. Ano gina? Makaliliparin ka dyan. Okay. Yan. So, look at the view. No? What are you doing? And look at the view, guys. Oh, viewing deck. Ito kong kata ka, Daddy. Ang lamig eh. Ang lamig. Nag-i-snow na yata.
Snow?
Burp. Oh, no, burp. In a few days daw mag-i-snow dito. Ayan, guys. Go. We're dead meat. Kanina nga hindi na umuulan eh. Bakit umuulan ulit? Diba? Bakit bigla umulan?
Happy birthday to you.
Hindi ko nakita na ba yan?
Birthday to you.
Happy
birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Now you are officially 40 years old. Hey, coach? Wish mo na. Now you are 41 years old.
What?
Okay, one word. Oh, hawak mo to. Bibigay pa ako sa'yo. Wait.
What?
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so dahil nag-birthday ka dito sa Australia, bumili kami ng maliit na cake lang para meron siyang ibubulong pa rin. So, yun. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
So, kaya kainin mo to ha, dessert ka. So, di nakapag-glow pa rin siya.
Dapat kay Harold to, hindi Pompo.
Ganon?
Ito yung favorite niya.
Yes, it's 14.